6:25, we're in Popeys, waiting to get some food. Been here for about 10 minutes, waiting in line. We're giving that pepper away for free. Yard bird all day. A lot of people in here hungry. Anybody sitting down to eat it, they all taking it away. Let's see how long this is going to take. Yeah. You want to be on TV?
No.
Make everybody famous.
Like...
Nah, I'm just recording myself right now. See how long this takes. Oh, I don't sound the camera. There we go. Give myself a skin treatment. Trying to slip it in on TV? I said, you trying to slide in on TV? No, I'll see you.
I'm looking at the girl that I know in the doorway out.
I'll see you.
I see her.
No, the person I know is still in line.
Oh, I see one out of line.
All right, this is going out to my pregnant wife. Sitting at home, I'm about to bring you some chicken, baby. Some Popeys chicken.
That's you when you sit all these people that
You ain't getting no biscuits. You ain't getting no sides. You ain't getting no napkins. You only get chicken. That's it. No juice, no napkins, nothing. Just chicken. Because that's what they got on sale today. Just chicken. You ain't getting nothing. I don't want it in a bag. You ain't getting no biscuits, no potato salad, or whatever else they sell in this place. You getting chicken. You have chicken meat and chicken vegetables. That's what it's going to be. You talking to the camera? Oh, you're going to be on TV now. Keep your commentary to yourself or you will be recorded. Everybody in here getting chicken. They ain't getting nothing else. Mashed potatoes is going bad today. They getting chicken. We got one Mr. Charlie in here calling people trying to get ahead of the line. That ain't going to happen, buddy. It ain't going to happen. About 12 people have ordered already, but they ain't get their chicken yet. And they starting to get impatient. It's about to be a chicken riot in Popeys. The employees are trying to change shifts, but that chicken has to stay consistent. Today is chicken day at Popeys. This Popeys fried chicken is bringing the world together. We got black people, white people, everybody in here getting this chicken today. Some people have a smile, some people are confused, concerned, but today it's all about chicken. Keep it up. We got commentators. There we go. This ain't 1988. We have technology. I would pan and give everybody a view of the entire audience. There are more people outside. They're going to kick me out of line. It's about the chicken. I'm going to let you in now. I'm going to let him in. Yeah, they're making everybody else walk around. Now, if I lose my spot line. You got it. You treating? No, he ain't treating. They're actually catching fresh chickens in the back of Popeye, plucking the feathers, and cooking them. It gets no fresher than this. Fresh chicken at Popeye. Yes, we're down in Willingboro. People are coming in the doors. People are lining up outside. The cars are down about 2 blocks for some chicken. You want to be on TV? Okay. What you come in for? Chicken, right? You're not on TV. I'm recording. The camera is this way. The camera's facing me. I'll put myself on TV.
Alright.
Nobody else is getting recorded unless they say something. Hello, my chicken getting neighbor in the front. Kind of quiet now. Nobody wants to be caught getting this Popeys chicken. It wasn't just hype. It's really $4.99 for the 8-piece today. See that? One of the natives escaped out the door. They're going to have to hire somebody else while we wait on this chicken. But I'm going to let y'all ride this ride with me. Your chicken day. We ain't got no commercials on this channel. This is better than HBO. Oh, we got a little bit of confusion up in the front. Uh-oh, a little confusion up in the front. Let's see what's going on up there. Let's see. What's going on up there? Switching the money out. All right. Let y'all see this is live and direct. Right at Popeys. People getting their chicken. We down in Willenboro. 08046. You might see somebody you know. Autographs can be signed later. This is better than the United Nations. This is one nation under chicken. And it's not free. You still got to pay for this chicken. They're not giving this chicken away for free. You still have to pay for this chicken. As if. You know, they lined up like giving free chicken away, but you still got to pay for this. People's curls is falling. Kids getting older. But it's worth the wait. Keep this documentary going because I want to be recording when the lady says we are out of chicken. I don't care. That would be so funny to me if they got all the way to me and said we don't have any more chicken. I would die laughing. Oh, I said if they get to me, I would crack up. I'm gonna tell them we ain't going nowhere till they get some more. They may go catch a bird and bring something back. Fried turkey. And I want some biscuits while I wait. This thing look like General Motors back there. Look at all them chicken boxes. It's an assembly line. I ain't never seen chicken prepared in epic proportions like this. I don't even know if I got them boxes. Yeah, I got some. This is real live. Real live. Hey, World Star Hip Hop. You ain't never seen people getting chicken like this. This is like a chicken feeding frenzy. And I hope everybody's happy. I'm going to tell the next people that come through the door that they ain't got no more chicken. Push this on pause for a minute.